Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Beck, and today we're going to talk about the distributive property. So in algebra, the distributive property says that we can have A times B plus C, and all we're doing is multiplying the variable on the outside of the parentheses times each term on the inside, which will give us AB plus AC. In arithmetic, if we have 2 times 3 plus 4, we multiply the 2 that's on the outside of the parentheses times each term on the inside. And we're going to get 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. Now, if we wanted to simplify this further, we will multiply 2 times 3 and get 6, plus 2 times 4 will give us 8, and we would get 6 plus 4, and it's equal to 14. Alright, you guys, write an equivalent expression and simplify. That's what we're going to be doing with these examples below. Let's start with letter A, x times x plus 3. We multiply the x times the x and the x times the 3. So we're going to end up with x times x plus 3 times x. And that's going to give us x times x gives us x squared plus 3x. And this is as simple as we can get this, and it will be our answer. Alright, you guys, for letter B, we have 2 times x plus 5. Now we can get 2 times x plus 2 times 5. That will give us 2x plus 10, and that's as simple as we can make this problem. Alright, you guys, I want you to try letter C and D on your own and then hit continue when you are ready. Okay, you guys, we're going to end up multiplying 3 times 5 and 3 times 2, and it's a minus there. So it's going to be 3 times 2. We're going to end up with 3 times 5 is 15 minus 3 times 2 is 6. Now, 15 minus 6 will give us 9, and that will be our answer simplified. For letter D, we have 3 terms we're multiplying, and we still do the same rules. 2 times 2 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 5. So we're going to end up with 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 times 5 is 10. We add these together. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 10 will give us 22, and that will be our answer. Okay, you guys, we're going to look at letter A here. We're going to show that the two expressions have the same value. For letter A, we have 5 times 2 plus 3. So we're going to multiply the 5 times the 2 and the 5 times the 3 like we've been doing. And we will have 5 times 2 plus 5 times 3, and we're going to end up with 10 plus 15, which will give us 25. But over here, we're going to do it a different way. This time, we're going to leave the 5 that's on the outside of the parentheses, and we're going to do what's inside parentheses together first. 2 plus 3 will give us 5. So 5 times 5 will give us 25. Now, as you see, we get the same answers. So these are two different ways of getting the same answer. But this time we just did what was inside these enclosed parentheses together first. Alright, you guys, I want you to try that with letter B, and then hit continue when you are ready. Okay, you guys, for letter B we have 2 times 2 plus 2 times 5. That's what we're going to have here. So we're going to end up with 4 plus 10, which is equal to 14. So we should get the same answer over here, but this time we're going to do what's inside parentheses first. 2 plus 5 is 7. We're going to multiply it by our 2, and 2 times 7 is 14, and we do get the same answer. Alright, you guys. We're going to find, let me just scroll up a little bit, we're going to find the area of the rectangle using two different methods. So right here we have a rectangle. Now, the first method we're going to do this, we're going to end up having, now area, remember, is length times width. So we're going to let this be our width, and this is our length. So we're going to end up with A for method 1 is equal to 20 times 7, or 3 plus 7. Now we're going to do what's inside parentheses first. 3 plus 7 is 10, and then we have 20 on the outside of our parentheses. So we have 20 times 10, which will give us 200, and this is our area, so it's inches squared because our units are inches. So our area is equal to 200 inches squared. Now I want you to use a different way of finding the area of this rectangle. Not the same way we did it here, but a different way for method 2, and then hit continue when you're ready and we'll go over it together. Alright, you guys, for method 2, another way we could have did this, we can multiply the 20 times the 3 plus the 20 times the 7. So we're going to end up with 20 times 3 is 60 plus 20 times 7 is 140. We're going to add these together. We're going to get 200, and we're dealing with inches squared because it's area. So as you see, we get the same answer. Okay, you guys, well, I hope this has helped you with understanding the distributive property. Have a great day.